In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Chatgpt to Google Sheets. This is a straightforward process that transforms your spreadsheet experience by integrating AI directly into your work environment. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and soon you'll have a powerful tool at your fingertips without needing any extensive technical knowledge. Let's begin by opening up Google Sheets. This is the first step towards supercharging your document with the capabilities of Chatgpt. Once you've opened a new or existing spreadsheet, take a look at the top toolbar. You'll see various options such as File, Edit, View, and there you will find Extensions. Clicking on Extensions opens up additional functionalities that you can incorporate into your sheets. Hover your mouse over the Add-ons option. This should display a small side menu. From here, select Get Add-ons. This leads you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, a vibrant hub where you can find a variety of add-ons to enhance your productivity. In the search bar of this marketplace, type either ChatGPT for Sheets or its variant GPT for Sheets and Docs. You'll be looking for an add-on designed to integrate the capabilities of ChatGPT into your spreadsheet, allowing you to interact with AI as part of your data processing activities. Once you have found the right add-on, click on Install. During the installation process, just follow the on-screen prompts. You'll likely be asked to approve various permissions. Grant these permissions to ensure that the add-on can work effectively within Google Sheets. It's important to understand that these permissions are often necessary to enable the full functionality of the tool. So don't worry, just ensure you're confident in your choice to proceed. After installation, you'll find the ChatGPT feature now accessible within your Google Sheets interface. At this point, you're ready to start using ChatGPT in your spreadsheets. Whether you want to generate text, automate repetitive tasks, or gain insights from your data, ChatGPT can now assist you directly in the familiar environment of Google Sheets. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to integrate an incredibly powerful AI into Google Sheets. Experiment with it to see how this tool can streamline your workflow and expand what you can accomplish within your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope this enhances your experience with both Google Sheets and ChatGPT.